Well, hello, hello. This is Rosa from RCG Creations. How are you doing? Did you know? I'll start my series back up again. A friend of a friend had to move, and she had to downsize. So she had to get rid of all her containers because it was a huge downsize. And so I got these from her, and these are. Oh, let me get my readers on so I can give you the correct information. These are Ikea 365 plus containers. And I got the two different sizes, the one that she was offering. And then here is all the dry goods that I have in my pantry are now going to be in these containers. Because number one, they'll be saving me space because the ones I have now are big square ones that take up a lot of space. But with these tall, slender ones, that'll take up a lot of space, so should have more room in my kitchen pantry. And whatever extra will go in my long-term pantry. But the taste thing is the Mr. Clean scrubber, that white scrubber. And I Googled it trying to figure out, okay, how can I get rid of this white chalk that she put to label all her labels. I don't know if these came with it, but they don't peel off, and I'm not going to try to peel them off, so I don't know. I'm not going to take a chance. But I want to be able to label it with what I want to use, okay? But I wanted to show you when I was Googling and everything, but did a couple of YouTubes and stuff, and this is supposed to be working. And actually, it does work very well. And all you're doing is you get the sponge wet, and then you're just scrubbing it. I am using a part of my fingernail to help. But I will tell you, your elbow grease, so your pressure and time of just scrub, does have it come off. But my hand is sore, my arm is sore. But I wanted to show you that it does come off. Okay, you can see there's part of it right there. See that part? I did that already. Because for the sake of the video, I want to make sure I'm staying within my 15-minute time frame that I've given myself. And you can hear the squeakies, and you can see that the white lettering is coming off. And you're supposed to be able to use a white chalk marker, but I think chalk markers come in different colors. That's made for chalkboard stickers, which is what these are. And there's one little speckle that I'm just going to get my towel because the sponge is wet. And okay, let me wipe that down. And look, the whole thing came off. Isn't that neato? So now I've got more that I've redone. And see that they're all done. I went ahead and got them all done. Now she did put, I don't know why, but a few of these she put tape, so I don't know. So I have to get my glue gun. I'm going to wait and get my glue gun, take the tape off, and then get the sticky stuff off. But today's video is showing comparison of using your Mr. Clean white sponge, dip it in water, squeeze all the water out, and then with your elbow grease of your fingers and your muscles, scrub until all the lettering comes off. And now you have plain clean labels. Oh, actually, look at this one. This has got a couple of speckles, and you see a couple of the speckles there. I hope you can see that. And you just scrub it and continue to scrub. Whoops, here's one alarm. I got two more chores I got to get done tonight before I go to bed. And of course, because I'm using and I'm scrubbing my fingernail, it's tearing the sponge, but that's okay because I'm just going to cut this part off and finish using the rest of the sponge. And I can use my sponge for another project. Look, there you go. But this is a nice way to use your containers for what you need, and when you want to change it out, just get your Mr. Clean sponge, with a little elbow grease, and it comes right off. Thank you so much for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.